Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with power and pairing first. Plug the USB-C cable into the Clip 5 and a charger. Charging fully avoids abrupt shutdowns later. Once charged, press and hold the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds to switch it on. Now open Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep it within 10 meters so discovery is reliable. The speaker's LED shows status. When you see flashing blue, you're ready to pair. This establishes the stable connection you'll use next. Once in pairing mode, press the Bluetooth button briefly. Its LED will flash blue, signaling discoverability. You then select JBL Clip 5 from your device's Bluetooth list and accept any confirmation. This pairs profiles for audio and call handling. After pairing, start playback from your phone or app. You can control playback with your device or the speaker's limited controls. Use the phone for precise volume and track skipping. If you plan to use for calls, make sure microphone access is allowed. Finish by securing the Clip 5 with its carabiner on a bag or belt, making sure you don't block the grill for best sound. If you want two devices connected, enable multipoint in each device's Bluetooth settings so switching is seamless. Once set, test playback and a quick call to confirm microphone routing. If things go wrong, no sound or pairing issues, reset the speaker by holding volume plus and play for about 5 to 10 seconds, then repair. This clears firmware hiccups and often restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.